Hello, and welcome back to another AMI tutorial. Again, I'm Harry Freeze, the AMI team member who's going to walk you through this one. Today, we're going to be going through the process of creating an ad on the Ad Manager. In today's video, we're going to cover 4 things: creating an ad, using our templates, scheduling an ad, targeting your jukeboxes with that ad, and finally creating a custom ad. So stay tuned. This is going to get pretty good. Let's jump right in. We're going to start at the usual with your operator portal at www.amientertainment.net. Go ahead and put your username and password in and click sign in. Once you're in, you're going to hover over the Ad Manager tab and click My Ads. Now that we're in, let's take a look at this page. We've got a few tabs over here on the left under the search. You've got all ads, active ads, expired ads, and disabled ads. Active means that the ad is still running. Expired means that the schedule for the ad has run out and it is no longer running. Disabled, of course, means that you've gone in and turned it off. There's also other ways to sort. You can sort it by the name that you've created for the ad, and you can even sort it by the location that it's currently at. Let's take a closer look at these ads. Scroll down and what you'll see in bold black is the name of the ad, the flight dates. That means the start date and the end date, the jukebox it's pointed at, and the ability to disable. You can actually click on this, go in, and edit almost all of this information. You can go in, change the name, change the dates that you're running, even change it and point it to a different jukebox. Let's go ahead and try to create one. What you're going to want to do is scroll back up to the top and look over to the left. You'll see Create/Import New Location Ad. Go ahead and click on that. Now in here, you'll see a bunch of our custom pre-made templates. These are easily sorted by your favorites, which I'll show you right now. Let's say you like this one a lot. Click on this button, it goes into your favorites. So if you want to click on My Favorites, you then have whatever you've decided you like to constantly continue to use. Most Popular is another one you can check out. It contains all of the most popular templates used in the AMI Entertainment Network. These are the most popular amongst other operators. You can sort also by any of these themes: beer, food, games, etc. Let's check out the search feature. Let's say that you're doing a promotion having to do with your pool tables. Well, you'd type in billiards. And everything that has to do with pool balls, pool tables, and cues is right here in this section. Now, let's go ahead and let's do one for darts. Let's say that it's Dart League season coming up, and you want to start recruiting more players and teams. What we can do here is go down to games. Lucky for us, darts is right on top. Let's pick this one. Now what you're going to want to do next is click the button in the bottom right of this box. Continue with the selected template. You'll see here that we actually supply you with pre-written text that we suggest you use, but this is entirely customizable. You can change the size of the font. You can change the boldness or italicis. You can change the color of the letters to an extent. Now, let's go ahead and play around with this, but instead of making you wait for me to type, I've already got one filled out over here. Our Dart League is on Monday nights. What you're going to do is you're going to go in here and you're going to type in, maybe all caps. You want to say Monday Night Dart League. The next thing you'll want to do is write what you think you should put next. I put text or call this fictitious number in Alabama. And then I said join a team or bring your own. That's just an example. You can write in these things whatever you want. Whatever you think is going to bring your customers in. I think I'm going to add a little more to this one. What you'd do there is you'd click preview, and it would update the new text that you put in. You know, I don't know if I like that color. Let's go ahead and go here on this little tiny square. Let's make the top red. Oh, yeah, I don't like that either. Let's go ahead and make the bottom a bit darker. Now that actually looks pretty good. So now that we've got the ad like we want it, let's go ahead and click Next. This is where you'd select what jukebox or jukeboxes you want to aim it at. I'm going to go ahead and send this to Aaron's Desk, AMI Grand Rapids, and the Groovy Room. Now that we've picked our jukeboxes, let's go ahead and pick Next. Let's name the ad. Monday Darts. Seems like a good enough name for me. Now we can scroll down and check out the schedule. Let's do starting today, and let's run through Christmas. Great. Now you can pick a certain day of the week to run, or you could pick every day of the week. You could tell it you want to start at 7 a.m. and only play until 10 p.m. Once you pick your time and write your name in, as well as your flight dates, you're ready to go. We're going to save and run. And we just got a notification saying that ad was successfully created. You'll see it show up right here in your home page for the ads. All right, guys, let's try to create a custom ad this time. What you're going to want to do is you'll go back to the top left and click that same Create/Import New Location ad. Go ahead and click Import My Own Ad. You'll see we have a blank page here. Just under the empty image file, you'll see Choose File. You'll want to go into your computer to someplace where you know that you're keeping the image that you've already had made for you. Some things that are important to remember. You're going to want to only work with JPEGs, or PNGs. And the standard pixel size that we use is 1280 by 720. That's about the size of your standard screen, because remember, these are going to be running not only on your jukeboxes, but also on your music video jukebox screens. So I've got this little one made up for us. I'm not very good in MS Paint, so this is kind of the best I can do. Once you've clicked to upload the ad, you're going to click Submit. If you have the right dimensions and the right file type, you'll see another pop-up that tells you AMI says that the file upload was successful. You'll click OK. Then the file will start loading in. Come on down to Harry's and enjoy the fire. You'll click Next and follow the same procedures you'd follow with your other ad. I hope that's pretty straightforward. Please remember that all of these features are available in the Copilot app. You or a location manager can use that app to create any ads you might need. And remember, you can reach our tech support 24/7 by calling 877-762-6765 or use the chat option through the Copilot. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can stay up to date on any of the features AMI has to offer. And thanks again for watching.